CNC Plasma Cutting Machine. The CNC Plasma Cutting Machine adopts the latest CAM-DUCT software from Auto DESK company. This software combines technology, data flow, and management. Meet the cutting requirements of duct workpieces through pre-designed standard duct drawings and parameter settings. This software is easy to learn and operate as it only requires machining dimensions to automatically develop unfolded views of deformed pipelines. Vertical control cabinet with 10-inch touchscreen, 15-inch screen optional. The cutting incision is thin and tiddly and can avoid the second processing. With firm and reasonable structure, the machine is easy to operate and durable for use. Fast cutting speed, high precision, and low cost. High-performance laser device associated with stable operation system enables optimal cutting effects. Processing plate thickness is 0.2 millimeters. Our machines have good sales at home and abroad, and the quality has been well received by customers for a long time. Welcome to contact us. Email colombetsy@suntayhvac.com. WhatsApp +861815538427